Hey mates! Today, we're going to show you how to craft the perfect AI prompts for planning your dream holiday. Before we start, did you know you can use the Expedia plugin for ChatGPT-4 to plan your travel itinerary, including travel dates and cost? Just enable it in the ChatGPT-4 plugin menu before you enter your prompt. So, let's get into it. First up, tell the bot your destination and trip duration. For example, create a 7-day itinerary for a trip to Rome, Italy. Next, tell the bot your travel dates. You can be specific, or if you're flexible, ask the bot for the best time to visit. Then, who's coming along? The travel party will consist of 2 adults and 2 kids aged 6 and 9. Now, your interests and preferences. Do you love the great outdoors? Or do you want a foodie adventure? Let the bot know. Got a budget? Include it. The total budget for the trip is $5,000, including flights, accommodations, meals, and activities. Any specific requests? Pop them in. Include options for day trips from Rome and ensure the itinerary includes a visit to the Colosseum and the Vatican. And there you have it. A complete prompt might look like this. And that's how you boss around an AI bot to plan your dream holiday. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.